Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So I am talking about ritual theme of the Shopify. If you have any other theme, then you can actually explore my playlist of the videos. I have created a lot of videos with different themes. So if you still don't find, then you can message me. I will create a new video for you or maybe directly help you out according to the theme which you are using. If you have any other name of the variant, for example fabric or material, then still this feature will work. So let me show you the preview of the store, that how it looks right now. If you will click on the preview, this is the home page of ritual theme. So let me click on shop page and you will see that we have here multiple products displaying, and each product has multiple color variants also, but only single color is displaying on this collection page. So how we can actually display all the colors on this collection page? So let me show you step by step. So firstly you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed a ritual theme, and you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme first, so that later on if you want to roll it back to the original version, then you would able to do that. And once you duplicated that, then again you need to click on these three dots and click on edit code, and here you will see that we have multiple folders and files. So we are going to follow the documentation. I have already given the link below in the description. You just need to click on that. You will be getting all these files. So firstly you should open document.txt. Inside of this file I have already given all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. Now the first step is create new snippet color dash card. So let me copy this name from here, go back, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. So this way you have created an empty snippet file. So similarly you have to create another new file from the second step. So in the second step we have create another new snippet color dash gallery. So let me copy this, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. Same way you should go back to follow a third step, create new snippet color dash group. So let me copy this name from here, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. So we have completed three steps. Now we have the first step, which is create another new snippet color dash swatches. So let me copy this, go back, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. Again go back to the documentation. We have the fifth step, which is create new snippet color dash variant. So let me copy this, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. So we have created 5 new empty files which are actually snippet files, and we are going to paste the code which I have already attached. So go back to the folder which we have so go back to the files. We have here color-card.txt. Just open this file, copy the code and then you should paste it inside of color-card.liquid. So let me paste it and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and go back to this folder again. We have to open color-gallery.txt. So let me copy from here and then go back, and here we have color-gallery.liquid. So paste that code and then save the changes. Once you have saved the changes, then you can close this file also, go back, and here we have color-group.txt. So let me copy this code from here and go back here. We have color-group.liquid, paste that code, click on save and then close this file also. Now we have another file which is color-swatches.txt. So you should open it up, copy the code, go back and paste it inside of color-swatches.liquid and then click on save. And now you can close this file also. Again go back and we have one more final file which is color-variant.txt. So let me copy this and then you should say paste it inside of color-variant.liquid and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can actually close this file and go back to the documentation. Here we have the sixth step, which is go to blocks, open product-card.liquid. So let me copy this file name and you can search it inside of search box, which is _product-card. So you will find that file inside of blocks folder. We have _product-card.liquid, and inside of this file what exactly we are going to do here is we are going to replace this line of code with these lines of code. So let me copy and go back, and here you have this line. you should delete it and paste the new lines of code which we have just now copied, and then click on save. So once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and go back, and we have the last step, which is the 7th step. So go to sections, open main-collection.liquid. So let me open this file. You should search it here, and under sections you can see we have main-collection.liquid, and then after you should remove li tag inside this loop. So basically we have a loop, and inside of that loop, let me show you here in line number 75. So around this line you will find this li tag. So you should remove this opening tag, and also you should remove this closing tag also. That is inside of this loop, and then save the changes. Close this file, and that's it. Now here you can see that we have multiple products here with different color variants, but only single color variant is displaying. But now if you will preview with the fresh changes which we have done just now, so let me show you how this is updated. This is the home page. Let me click on shop page, and here we go. Now you can see that we have multiple color variants displaying on this collection page. So these color variants are separated as an individual product. So that's how you can actually implement this feature into your store. So if you are facing any issues or something, you can definitely ask me. I will help you out in that. And here you can also see that the swatches are also working fine, like they were working before. And this is looking more attractive than the earlier version, because earlier we only had one color to display, but now we have all the possibilities which we had for different colors. If you have any problem or something, you can message me. I will help you out in that. If you have any new store to create, or maybe you have any additional feature to add into your store, you can definitely message me. I have added the contact details below in the description. So I will help you out in solving all those issues. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.